Hi there, it's Alison from Happy Soul. I'm in a beautiful location at Pittwater, the basin. Actually, it's called Coasters Retreat and it is just divine. So we're having a couple of nights away. I wanted to give you an update on Happy Soul and my services. And firstly, to talk about the coaching that I provide. So I provide one-on-one coaching to address anything that's really causing you discomfort and dis-ease. I specialise in dealing with trauma and remembering that most people's issues relate to something minor, moderate or severe trauma where there's a constriction and the body can then go into a fight, flight, freeze or flop response. So my job is like an emotional detective, and I'm looking for areas where you're not at peace with in your life in the past so that you can let that stress go and be more present. And clarity comes, more enjoyment, creativity. So that's my coaching. Now I do 40-minute online sessions, and in person in Freshwater in Manly, I do from 75 minutes up to a full day's retreat. My in-person sessions have the tapping, like all coaching sessions. I use EFT and Matrix Reimprinting, but I also incorporate sound healing to integrate the release of any trauma and stress. And it's a beautiful experience. Sound healing is so effective at healing the 60 trillion or more of your cells, offering deep relaxation, calibration, and resetting your system. So that's the coaching. I now also have the Thursday Tapping Tribe, which is fortnightly. I've actually been running that throughout the pandemic, but now it's a regular theme every fortnight, 5 o'clock Sydney time for an hour. You can find all my services on my website, happysoul.com. And there is two more services actually. One is to teach accredited level 1 and 2 EFT workshops. So I'm a master trainer with EFT International, so I'm registered with them. And I generally run the workshops 2 or 3 times a year. They have been online, but in October it's coming back in person again in Freshwater near Manly. And I'll also be starting to run one-day tapping basic workshops, and the first one will be in February. So that's a summary of the services that I offer. If you'd like to invite me to do a demonstration for a group or a company, that's also something I love to do. I absolutely love sharing tips and ways to help people to feel better, to let go of patterns inherited or created from yourself for some reason based on an experience that you've had. I just know that this particular tool called tapping is highly effective at sending a soothing message to the amygdala, the mid part of the brain, like I said, that can go into fight, flight, freeze or flop, which is the chronic fatigue and the exhaustion, when we're not resolving our past experiences. You are the healer, and when you let go of stress, you can feel more love within. And I believe and feel that love is the deepest healer. And letting go of any resentments towards situations or people truly allows for deep healing. So that's a summary of where I'm at with my services. I am going away on the 9th of July for 3 weeks to the UK, so I won't be available then. But please do get in touch if you have any questions about how I may be able to help you. And you can find out lots more on my website, also in the link tree in the bio section of Instagram. Please ask any questions, leave your comments, and please do share this video, because you may know somebody who may wish to feel supported, who feels stuck in trauma or grief, anger, frustration. There could be relationship breakdowns. I basically am able to support anybody with anything. So I also really love to help people who perhaps have chronic health and are afraid about that, and even people who know they've had a diagnosis and they're going to pass. Supporting those people to let go of the fear of death and transitioning. Thank you once again for listening to me today and enjoying this beautiful view. Here's my little dog and that gorgeous scenery. It's been lovely to share all this with you in the sunshine. Have a great day. Take care. Bye bye.